Hi everyone, today is about exploring Au Lac, the infamous vegetarian restaurant in Fountain Valley. The Big Boy team visited Au Lac, a renowned vegetarian restaurant known for its creative fusion of Asian and Western-inspired dishes. The ambience was calming and modern, setting the stage for a memorable culinary experience. Highlights included the Beet Tartare, garlic basil pasta, and the standout Pho Royale, with bold flavors and innovative vegan ingredients. Raw food enthusiasts raved about the Living Lasagna, proving the restaurant's ability to elevate plant-based cuisine. Au Lac impressed with its unique approach to vegetarian food, making it a must-visit for anyone seeking an unforgettable dining adventure. Please enjoy and stay tuned.
What's up, Ab? Be here. Sit there. Oh, yeah. Trên này là xong rồi.
Chuyên qua bên đó cho mấy người ăn.
Không miếng à.
Em chị thêm chén nước nóng.
Here comes a recommendation from our part. Au Lac isn't just a restaurant, it's an experience that redefines what vegetarian and vegan cuisine can be. From its innovative dishes to its warm, inviting atmosphere, the restaurant challenges traditional expectations and delivers bold, memorable flavors. Whether you're a devoted plant-based eater or simply curious about creative cuisine, Au Lac is a destination worth exploring. The Big Boy team left inspired and satisfied, proving that vegetarian dining can be just as exciting as its meat-based counterparts. We love it so much, and hope you would like to visit this heart-healthy food someday.
Cơm trắng đi hôm nay. Này cơm trắng hôm nay. Con gửi thêm chén món ở đây nha cô.
Ngon. Mời.
Chỉ còn một cái thịt khô hải sản. Hủ đá đó.
Hủ đây hủ đá.
Cơm chiên các bạn.
What's that? The other one? What's that? Another one?
Cơm bò với
Au Lac Vegetarian Cuisine is located at 16,563 Brookhurst, St. Fountain Valley. See a 92,708. The restaurant operates from Tuesday to Sunday, with lunch hours from 11:33 a.m. to 3:33 p.m., and dinner from 5:33 p.m. to 9:33 p.m. They are closed on Mondays. Au Lac offers natural, plant-based cuisine with Vietnamese and fusion flavors. Their chefs revisit comfort foods using traditional cooking methods, and meat alternatives made from plant ingredients like soy, wheat, potato, peas, and konjac. They also offer raw dishes that combine raw vegetables, nuts, and grains, which are blended, dehydrated, and cultured with probiotics for optimal nutrition.
Ăn đầu mũi mẹ. Lên. Bà lúc đó. Cơm đen luôn á. Cái cơm đen này.
Dạ cơm nó ngon.
Ăn có cái gì vậy?
Cung bầu quế.
Còn phải à? Có cay không?
Dear friends, we hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and have a nice day. Sincerely,